In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and add a license to your GitHub repository. Whether you're an open source enthusiast or simply someone who dabbles in coding projects, understanding how to license your work is crucial. It not only outlines how others can interact with your code, but it also protects your rights as a creator. Let's start with choosing a license. Now, this decision boils down to how you envision others using, modifying, and sharing your code or project. Consider this. Do you want people to incorporate your code into commercial products? Some licenses allow this, while others don't. Or perhaps you're keen on ensuring that any modifications of your work remain open and accessible, requiring those who modify your code to share their versions under the same licensing terms. Another point to ponder is whether your project relies on libraries with specific licensing requirements, making compatibility an essential factor. For some added breadth of understanding, take a look at what's common practice in your community or ecosystem. For instance, many web projects favor the MIT license. Speaking of licenses, they generally fall into two categories. Permissive licenses, like MIT and BSD, allow broad flexibility. Others can use, modify, and even integrate your code into proprietary projects. On the other hand, copyleft licenses, such as the GNU GPL v3, require that anyone distributing derivative works must also share the source code and maintain the same licensing. Remember, if you leave out a license entirely while others may view your code, they might not have the legal authority to reuse or redistribute it as you intended. So here's a quick rundown. Seek maximum freedom and simplicity? Opt for MIT or Apache 2.0. Want to ensure your derivatives remain open? Go with GPL v3. And if you're stuck, tools like choosealicense.com can offer some guidance. Now, you've settled on the right license. How do you add it to your GitHub repository? Here's how. Start by navigating to your repository's main page on GitHub. You'll want to click on Add File and proceed to Create New File. In the Name Your File field, type License or License. MD. Either works great. Just below the file name field, look for the button labeled Choose a License Template and give it a click. This will let you pick from a range of licensing options, with GitHub automatically populating the standard text into your file. Here's a quick tip. Some license templates might have placeholders for the year or your name, so make sure to fill those in if needed. Once satisfied, commit the new file to your repository. You can either commit directly to your main branch or create a new branch and start a pull request. After you commit, GitHub will recognize the license and prominently display it on your repository page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure your GitHub repository not only abides by your sharing preferences, but also gains a visible layer of professionalism and legal clarity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!